Whenever I take a break from crypto, part of me feels like super relief. I went for a week to walk in the mountains for holidays, be kind of present in the moment, get away from the charts, spend a little bit time with friends, with family. And that's a part of me that is really enjoying this. But there's a second part of me that whenever I do that has a major PTSD because I know I'm missing out on something. And in this case, guys, 1 week, basically, we had a pretty significant Bitcoin pump, also following with altcoins. We had our former, not mine, but former President Trump right now giving a candidate being shot in a goddamn ear while giving a speech. It's just fucking wild. And this is only 1 week, guys, so never do a break. Never go for holidays unless you're already made it, you're rich, and bull run is already over. This is the lesson for today. But anyways, I want to look a little bit at the market because a lot of things has happened. And in this video, I'm going to kind of also go into some altcoins, especially regarding AI sector, because there are some cool news and I see that a lot of them started to pop. And so we're going to go through the list of the altcoins from AI narrative that I'm currently looking into. Some of them you already seen from my previous videos. We're going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin and what to expect in the near future. So guys, like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Right guys, so around when I made the last video, basically it seems like Bitcoin was at the bottom and now we had a major move up, basically around 22%. Also, of course, altcoins were following and now we're kind of looking into, okay, are we going to retrace from here, making a lower high around 50, even 9K area, or are we going to go straight up and break this resistance? Well, there's just a lot of questions. However, I think that we are soon going to enter into the new phase of the bull run, and I am kind of making my bets already with this. One day ago, there was an article, guys, around Grayscale launches artificial intelligence focused crypto fund AI token gains, and they are mentioning Near Protocol, Render, BitTensor, Filecoin, and LivePeer. That is going to be definitely invested. But on this note, a lot of altcoins started to move, and especially those regarding AI. So I'm going to go through the list of altcoins that I already have been mentioning on, but I see that they had already a big moves and they are right now breaking into the downtrend. So from the trading perspective, if they hold up, I think this is a good entry for those positions. So guys, let's get to it. Right guys, so from all those coins that were mentioned in the article, I'm currently invested in Tao and Render. And so as you can see, Tao had a really nice bounce off. Basically, they experienced some kind of hack not that long ago, and some hackers were able to steal some Tao from the depths and they dumped it, so that created a price dumping basically to $200. And right now, as you can see, it broke down the downtrend and pumped around 62%. So it just broke this trend. Now I'm kind of looking at the retest and boom, and we're probably going to send it higher if the market conditions are going to be okay. Render, however, is not doing that great. I would expect that with the GPU narrative, Render is going to deliver a little bit more, but basically it broke down this downtrend here. Now it's testing it, but we're gonna see how it's gonna go. I am bullish on Render. It's kind of touched this strong support around 550 area a few times, basically from March. I would love to see it test this $9 level once we're gonna go, but well, we'll see. They have partnership with Nvidia. Nvidia is like performing extremely well in the last basically 18 months. So I am expecting Render to at some point really go. 80% of supply is also in circulation, so it does look good. But let's talk a little bit about the smaller market caps, because with the move that we experience on Bitcoin, and also with this article, we seen a lot of smaller cap altcoins from the AI sector moving like crazy. First one is we're going to look at is Hash AI. This is GPU narrative. Look, guys, 139% move up from the bottom and broke this downtrend. So I think if you are looking into adding this to your portfolio, I think you might wait for this retest and this might do pretty well. Another one is GPU, same narrative, as you can see, also broke the downtrend, and now we're waiting for the retest. 160% up from the bottom, so also looking good. 80 million market cap, so very similar to Hash AI in that regard. Base AI, this is another one from AI narrative. Also, this is a downtrend. Right now it's basically breaking. We're gonna see how it's gonna go, but this looks pretty bullish. It was lower low, and now maybe we're gonna form something like a higher high and then higher low, hopefully. Destra network, this is something I'm actually started to look in right now with this breakout right now. But guys, all those charts, they look very similar. This is a little bit bigger market cap, 240 millions. I know it's not that degenerate as we like, but there's a lot of influencers talking about it, so I think it might do good in a bull run. Another one is Spectre. Spectre, as you can see, it didn't do that bad during all those dips. Basically, from March, it pumped. In April, from April, it went down only 56%, while a lot of those altcoins from April, they dumped around like what? 84%. God damn it. So basically, you can still, like Hash AI, you can still buy this at 71% discount from the all-time highs. And I expect that if this narrative will continue to grow, and it should, because AI is basically like from past few years, like the major breakthrough, we are going to see them going back to all-time highs probably. Now we see Spectre AI, also pretty decent coin, small market cap, and right now, guys, it already did from the bottom. It already did 130%. Things are looking good in this one, so definitely worth checking out. Neural AI, this is coin that allows you basically to form a 3D models. This is also pretty useful, and it had a really big hype. I was late to that one. I was hoping to get in a base because basically it delivered crazy gains. I saw some people that caught it at like 10 cents or something, and it was just crazy. But right now had a retracement from the top. You can buy it at 47% discount. It broke the downtrend. I hope it's gonna retest and gonna go a little bit lower. Then I'm going to try to enter this one. Definitely also small market cap, has a still place to run. So another good one. 0x0 also right now currently at the breakout from the downtrend. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here, but this one is also pretty solid. 163 million market cap, guys. So as you can see, all those altcoins, they are started to move, and I believe that those that started to move, they are going to be like the major focus in the bull run will be there. Why? Because as soon as we had a little bit better market conditions, the interest went there as of now. So all those altcoins are being mentioned by influencers. All those altcoins are small market cap and they have a solid term. So if we're gonna have this, major banana expansion on Bitcoin, there's going to be a lot of greed and people will look into those smaller market caps. So right now they are still on big discount. If we going to have a next phase of the bull run. This might be your Valhalla. Alright guys, so basically that's it for this video. In the next one we are going to talk a little bit about the gaming altcoins. After all, this used to be a gaming channel before AI happened. Gaming was the sector that got hit the most, I think, during this retracement phase. I see a lot of tokens are just like sitting so low and they're super undervalued. And also tokens like Heroes of Maria started to move, so I think there will be definitely interest there in the next phase of bull run. And actually I think that games can have like major comeback. So next video I'm going to give you the list of the gaming tokens I'm looking into. For now guys, let's check this AI, let's see what Bitcoin is gonna do, and I don't know. Guys, good luck, let's make money. See you next time. Like and subscribe, of course, helps me grow. Yo.